And now I would like to call a very good student, and his name is Ruth, and his topic is about friendship, and he is going to speak about friendship. So please come on the stage.
First of all, good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
My dear friends and my respected teacher. Today I tell about friendship. Friendship is very important in our life, because you have any problem, so you can ask to your friend. And you suppose that if you don't know where is Taj Mahal.
Yeah.
So firstly you will make to friend, and after that your friend look where is Taj Mahal, and you follow to your friend, and you suppose that if you don't have money, and you will go any hotel for breakfast. So after that you will ask your friend if you have money. So your friend told, yes, I have money. So you can and you told you can their side pay, and after that I will pay you. And if you any have question, so you can ask your friend. And if you don't know where is now I want to my finish profession.
It was a very good speech, and we should focus on our work, because work will help us on in future. And
आप सभी आदरणीय श्रोता बंधुओं को हमारा सप्रेम नमस्कार, आदाब, सलाम। बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता।